Welcome to my channel, and today I will show you meat section in Ozmen. It's international food. So let's start from the chicken. So you see they've got chicken without skin and with skin. So some people like to cook it without skin, and it's very easy and nice. Also some part of chicken wings. It's almost closing time, so it's not much available. The whole chicken wings, chicken legs, you see £4 per kilo. It's a little bit expensive, but now everything is expensive. And the same chicken wings, chicken legs without skin. What else we've got? Chicken mince, chicken breast. Chicken breast costs $6.48 per kilo, which is quite reasonable price. Chicken liver looks not very fresh, but it's okay. A lot of gizzard, but no chicken heart today. $2.99, even cheaper than at the market. Whole chicken. And this is marinated chicken. I don't really like marinated chicken because you don't know what the marinade is. But you can read the ingredients of this marinade and think, do you like it or not? I'm a little bit suspicious about yogurt because it's reduced the time of shelf life. But it can make it very nice and delicious. So you see how many different chicken products is here. And this is a chicken burger or whatever it's look like. No, it's not chicken burger, sorry. It's chicken burger and it's lamb burger, you see? And this is marinated lamb. I think it's marinated is the same. Then it's nice stomach. I think it's a lamb stomach. Then you can find some other ingredients like bones, tongue, feet, huge. Beef feet's very nice. Liver, tail, oxtail. Oxtail is very nice. Kidney. Yeah, I see it's testicles or balls. Yeah. Amazing selection. Steak are a little bit strange, so I will not advise you to buy it. But beef ribs looks very nice and quite lean. So lean beef ribs is very nice and price is $10.99. Compatible with market. So this is general beef. I don't know which part of this. I think it's a brisket. Yes, again, quite. Yeah.
The video?
Yeah.
You want for video?
Yeah. It's very nice meat here. I like this meat selection. Yeah. And now it's lamb again.
This is all me cutting.
Yeah.
What's the gun? I cut all this today. Everything.
So you see this.
This morning is a beer.
Yeah, I can imagine it's, but now it's gone. Yeah, this is, they've got quite good turnover. So you see how many different lamb sections, and here you can buy lamb shank as well, lamb neck, mince, and lamb legs. $9.99 per kilo. So this is quite good price for lamb, much better than in supermarket. That's it, no more meat section, and now it's a fish section, but it's too late for the fish. That's it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and wait for new interesting videos. Thank you, bye.